Yeah, hello guys. You are welcome to the Java Academy. It's been a pretty long break, and we are basically back now and better and to be more consistent. So, in the next year, and in fact, starting from this month, we'll be working on two different things simultaneously. So, I'll be creating a new playlist for uh, new people or beginners into Java programming basically. So I would be creating different contents, explaining the basics of Java, and then we progress gradually into more advanced concepts. So if you want to know what syllabus or curriculum we are following, I've basically done that through one of my videos on YouTube. And basically, if you see here under this playlist. So I basically have this video where I explain mastering Java development, your comprehensive roadmap to success in 2024 and beyond. So here it explains a roadmap to mastering Java, and I will basically be following this as my guide to creating this series of content on Java from the scratch. Then aside that, I would also be creating content on a recruitment application or a job application portal. So we'll be creating the backend for this. And basically, I've also started I basically dropped a video promising that I will be dropping content on regarding that. So if you check here, you also see this job application system, and there's just one video here. So we'll be creating more videos here. We'll be creating more videos where we actually develop our job application system from the scratch. Then, aside that, there is a document we are going to be working with to ensure that we are not just working blindly. So, if you look here, right, so this is a document. So, basically, this is the document that guides the application we are going to be building. Okay, so if you look here, the business requirements, they started from the functional requirements. So we are going to have the user management service, okay, where we have three types of users or three user roles. The administrator that manages the entire system, the roles and access permissions, okay. And then we have the recruiter role as well. The recruiter basically is the guy who posts jobs, communicates with candidates and so on. So you can have different recruiters, several recruiters basically on the application, and then you can have several candidates applying for different jobs and so on like that. Okay, so basically we'll be implementing role-based access control to ensure that only authorized users can access specific features. So we'll be taking a deeper look at what will be included in this user management in our next tutorial. Then aside that, we are going to have the job posting service where the recruiter basically comes to create a job or to update a job or to delete a job. Okay, so there's going to be a service for that. There is also going to be a separate service for candidate management. Okay, where candidates are able to create their own accounts and so on like that. And then there's going to be application tracking. There's going to be an interview scheduling service as well, which is going to be uh, a separate service since you are dealing with microservices. And then there's going to be reporting, okay, where you are able to view different reports based on applications and how the software is used. So here you can see the different use cases that I've come up with, where the candidate visits the job board, it searches for open positions, he can select a job, then view the details of that job, and then he applies to that job. Okay, then he can also create an account, upload his resume, then submit the application. Then basically we'll also be looking at an email notification service where that deals with all that deals basically with sending emails and so on like that. So, and then there's a recruiter use case as well, where the recruiter can log into the system, you can create a new job, you can view candidates that have applied, and you can track the candidates' progress. So you can see our different data model which we'll be taking a look at. So another place I would like to take a look at here is this, are the different technologies we are going to be using. Of course, it's not limited. There are some things that I perhaps might have omitted here. So we are going to be using Java, Spring Boot, and so on. Then React. Okay, this is basically for those who would. I'm not promising this, but if at all this is going to hold, then it's going to be done using React. Then we are going to be using this database. So I want to make use of different databases for different services. So, but then these are good. The databases you are going to be making use of are limited to all of this. And then there's going to be authentication. There's going to be deployment with Docker and AWS, version control, and then of course it's going to be microservices. So basically, this is the project we are going to be building, and yeah. So basically, that's it. And then before I end, I would like to mention here that content regarding Java programming from scratch will be posted on Saturdays, while content regarding the recruitment application or the job portal application will be posted on Sundays. So videos will be dropping Saturdays, Sundays, uh, so depending on the particular type of content that is going to be dropped. So basically, this is just an introduction or a reintroduction, if I may say, into our new content. So see you guys and enjoy enjoy the lessons as they come. Thanks.